Alright, we're at this apartment building in Highland Park here. And we've got ourselves looks like a modded GNS or something modded. Probably GNS. Might be an automatic mod, actually. This kind of does look like automatic stuff. Down a B. Spooky basement. Look at this. The cab is cracked. They tried to fix it with some screws, looks like. Oh no, that's the screw hole where one of these should be. This one's tilted. And this one's fallen out. Oh my goodness, the whole laminate is loose. Wow. This thing has certainly seen some better days. Geez, half the pegs are missing, look. Look at that, they're all gone. All right, enough dicking around. Let's get up to 3. Looks like they just repainted and nothing else. The door reopening shook the whole cab too. This thing's kind of janky. It's a funny chime. Water Tower Condos. Here's the hone. Let's check the hone. Just a Wertec. Bumper. Still got its bumper, that's cool. Anyway. That's all. I'll have a look. We actually got the motor room here, and it's a dry power hydro. So what do you say we get a little video of the motor going? Here's your controller. Is there anywhere that says the brand? It looks like this is MCE, but usually MCE puts a tag somewhere. Oh, here we go. HMC 1000 from 1996. Modded by Carlsen's elevator. So, what do you say we just want to see if there's any indication to the old brand. No, there is not, but I'm willing to bet this was formerly ESCO equipment there. That looks like the muffler. Don't step on that. Oh, whoops, I accidentally hit 2. this is a door relay. Door torque increase. I wonder what the difference between those two arrows is. Maybe one's the actual direction it's traveling, one's just the direction it's called in. Who knows? We'll send it up one more time and watch it come down. This is probably the original pump. Quickly call it before it comes back, before the door shuts. Never mind. I think that's it's almost as if it's trying to pull the door open more. And it's talking over me. Anyway, that's all.